October 29th, 2011. This is ridiculous. We got some of our first snow of the season right before Halloween, 2 days before Halloween. Philadelphia seen snow, New York City. This is a historical event, as the Weather Channel's been saying all day. Harrisburg, where Jim Cantorie's been, has had thundersnow, and I was watching it live. Was watching the Weather Channel live when Jim Cantorie had thundersnow. It's ridiculous. But it's showing up as rain on radar in the green where we are, but outside it's snowing pretty hard. It's 35 degrees out. I don't know if you can see it, but it's snowing hard outside. Pretty hard.
On the top part of the tree, maybe weighing down some of the branches on the top part of the tree initially, so it causes that tree to slightly tip over. And look at the
trees all have their leaves, so there's a lot of power outages going on. Comes the latest update in from the Weather Channel on the radar here. There it is, not much. A lot of snow though. Over in Harrisburg, they've had like over 8 inches today, I believe. Thundersnow is ridiculous for this time of year. 2011 looks like it'll be another historical year of snow, off the charts. This is Nature Kid 13 reporting the first snow of the season.